Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into this Gmail application and then click here on the right upper corner. Now you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and I'll show you how to log out from this Gmail account in the Gmail application. So just to do that, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So just to do that, we should go to the manage accounts on this device section, then click here to the Google section, and here you can see this our two Google accounts. So just to log out from this account, for example from the second one, click here, tap on the more icon and click to remove account and confirm to remove account again. And as can you see, in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. And now we'll go back into the application, and you can see here that in application we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.